Welcome back to my channel. On today's tutorial I will be guiding us on how to get a US number with easy with the help of an app called Numero. So this app is free, but getting a number from this website is not free. You have to pay with a token, or you have to gain their coin for free. Then you can use the coin you gain to get the number for free. So you have to exchange the coin for the number. But if you don't want to exchange the number, you don't want to pay or do any tax just to gain their free coin, there's another way of paying from the website, like using a payment source to pay and deposit on the website. Then you can go on and get a number from them. So let's get started. The name of the website is Numero second phone number. What makes this website different from the other website is that most of the website you need to own a VPN, getting a VPN, or adding your information. So this one you just have to input it's just like maybe having a two phone, then on the other phone you have another line. Maybe on your main phone you put a line there, then on the other phone you have another line there also. But the other line that you'll be having on this Numero is foreign number. It's not Nigerian number. It's foreign number you can give your client. If you want to open a Fiverr account, US Fiverr account, UK Fiverr account, so you can use this number to verify all website payment source. Maybe you want to do a verification on our website, you can use this app number to verify it. So go to your app store, either Google or iPhone. Just click on this Numero eSIM, search for it, then click on it, open it, because we are going to sign up now. I want to teach us from sign up, then down to where you are going to make payment. I'm not making the payment because I have some stuff I'm using that is still working for me. I just want to share it to you guys. Maybe someone out there might have the payment source they need available, so that I can just use it to verify their account. Why are we having the limit in open? Let me go to my home page again. Okay, this is it. Create an account. Click on create an account. Input your Nigerian number. You could see it's requesting for Nigerian number. Okay, you could see, make sure your number is real. That one saying make sure your number is real. You could see that's it. You log in there successfully. Then what next to do is to get a number, a virtual number. You could see, can you have time to review Numero? Okay, save up to 70% to call top up Islamic country. So up to 70% to call is for $5 only. So click on call credit. Once you click on the call credit, then if you want to recharge, Numero SIM number $1, Numero eSIM, just choose a package you want to choose. Let's say we choose this, confirm. Credit only, yes. You could see it's requesting for money. Once I have money on this my account, I click on it. They are going to give me the number for free. So this is it. Global call credit offer. You could see where the number call credit call bonus up to 70% of global call and that calling bonus. So just select. If you want to even call Nigeria, you can call Nigeria from here. So phone numbers, click on phone numbers. You will see I show us the how to just to subscribe to them. Then so you click on phone numbers. These are the list of available countries you can choose from. Let's choose US. You can see this is it. This is the amount of money they are selling their you are sending the number for 1 month, or you have the number for good 1 month. So special offer here for US only. Social media number, you can just play on the website. Phone number, United Kingdom, 2 phase offer, you will see. So but you don't have money, maybe you wanted to get their coin for free. So come here and click on free coin center. Click on free coin center. And there you could see. So you just have to link your account first. You just have to link your account. Once you link your Gmail account, then on this page they are going to show you on how to get the coin for free. Let me link one of my Gmail accounts. You can see this is a free coin center. Just for free. And so the coin should be added now. Sorry, I'm still with you guys. I was just trying to check if they gave me the coin for free. When the game is survey, those that their tax has kind of hard. The last time I'm even trying to take it,